Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest picks in the gravel biking scene, the Panaracer GravelKing slick folding gravel tires. If you're on the hunt for the best GravelKing out there, you've come to the right place. Let's kick things off with what makes these tires stand out. Designed for versatility and durability, the GravelKing Slick is engineered to tackle gravel, dirt, or rough pavement with ease. It's the pinnacle of Panaracer's GravelKing series, boasting a sleek design and robust construction. Let's delve deeper into what sets the GravelKing Slick apart. Its rubber composition and tread patterns strike a perfect balance between traction and low rolling resistance. Whether you're cruising through backcountry trails or navigating city streets, these tires offer exceptional grip and stability. To put it into perspective, let's compare the GravelKing Slick with its competitors. Unlike traditional knobby gravel tires, the Slick variant reduces rolling resistance without compromising on performance. This makes it a top choice for cyclists looking to maximize speed without sacrificing control. Now, let's hear from cyclists who've put these tires to the test. Many users rave about their smooth handling and durability, praising how they glide over gravel and absorb shocks effortlessly. It's clear that Panaracer has hit the mark with these tires, catering to both casual riders and avid adventurers alike. As we wrap up, it's time for our final verdict. The Panaracer GravelKing Slick folding gravel tires earn our top spot for their exceptional design, durability, and performance across diverse terrains. Whether you're gearing up for a gravel race or exploring new trails, these tires deliver where it matters most. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more insightful reviews, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your experiences with the GravelKing Slick. Until next time, ride safe and stay adventurous.